Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, why you got your hands on me?
Because you're walking with a firearm.
I know. I'm going fishing. Look, I got a fishing pole.
You're not fishing right now, sir.
I know, I'm going to that fishing pier right there.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. What are you, a sergeant? Who are you?
A lieutenant, though.
Okay, what is your name, badge number?
Center 9808.
Yours?
Detective Cat 6440.
Okay.
Do me a favor. Let that go, please. Thank you.
Dude, I was just going fishing.
Okay.
I'm not breaking the law. I'm not breaking the law.
Do you think it's appropriate walking
Yes.
around
Absolutely.
with an AR-15 on your
Absolutely.
chest where there's children and everybody on
Absolutely.
the beach? You
Yes.
think that's appropriate?
Yes.
You don't think that's going to cause problems?
I get people might call.
How about we go?
I haven't done.
Look, my guy, you got a gun strapped to your chest.
I
walking on
get
the
it,
public
dude.
beach, and that's why we're doing what we're doing. So relax.
Because I'm not.
Relax. Just
Did
take a
you
deep
swear an
breath.
oath to the
Relax.
Constitution?
100%.
Then what's the problem? What's the problem? Am I lawfully allowed to do what I'm doing?
Let me ask you something. You're going fishing, right?
Yes, I'm going to that pier.
You need an AR-15 to go fishing.
You don't need to know why I
I'm
need it.
just asking a
You
simple
don't
question.
need to know a reason.
Can you give me a reasonable answer for that?
Yes, I've almost been robbed while I've been fishing.